Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LC. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that the price has made a very, very nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was not that long ago, and then you look at where the price closed today, any rational person would say, yeah, the price has definitely made quite the bullish move. However, this does lead to the valid question, though, of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering this question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right here at, what is that level? Give it a little wiggle room. $3.75. Why is $3.75 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $3.75. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out of. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, not saying it will, but has a relatively dramatic pullback, pulls all the way down there, and then behaves in this manner, and then starting to work its way back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right there. You'd have this set down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress forward, as $3.75. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are currently hanging out at, made themselves pretty apparent right up there at about $4.40, give or take. You can call it $4.42 if you want. If you go back to the history of the chart, though, you can see why that level kind of acted stubborn today. There is definitely a history of this area knocking down the price, both there, there. So don't get me wrong. I'm not saying that this 440 range can't be broken. I'm just saying it made sense why the price stopped today. And, apparently, according to the story of the chart, the bulls are going to need to bring their A game to not only fight through that level, but also be able to stay up above it. But anyway you cut it, very nice move the past couple of days. So let's see if the bulls can continue to build upon it or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey, Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.